Hello everyone, myself Anjana sir from AIM department. This is our team members, which is Vaibhav, Santosh, Venkatesh, and Karthik. Our topic name is that revenue and profitability analysis on sales data set. Now we are seeing the line chart. For example, let's take an example that in January the revenue was around 20 million. That is dropped in February and then gradually increased till July. It's reaching up to 24 million. After that, there is a noticeable drop in October, and the revenue stays lower towards the end of the year. This suggests strong performance mid-year but weaker sales in the later months, which may be due to seasonal demand or reduced promotion. Uh, in Finally, we can say that to maintain the stability of revenue, the company should focus on the reasons behind the late year dip and apply marketing and product strategies to maintain the growth of the product. Now, the next graph is explained by Vaibhav.
Now moving on to histogram of our project. Here is the histogram. It shows the distribution of order values across revenue bins from 0 to 20K. Each group of bars represent key matrices: average order value, count of orders, gross value, profit margin, quantity, and unit price. The average order value and gross values are highest in the mid revenue range, that is 5 to 10K, showing that medium sized orders contribute most to overall revenue. The profit margin stays relatively low across all bins, meaning higher revenue doesn't always bring higher profits. Uh, Quantity and unit price fluctuate across bins, indicating variation in product combination and pricing. The count of orders slightly drops at higher revenue levels, suggesting fewer but higher value orders. Here, the histogram is showing the performance as seen in mid-range orders. So focusing on that segment can help balance sales, volume, and profitability effectively. Next, moving on to
Is a scatter plot title revenue versus profit by the state, which visualizes the relationship between profit of a percentage, horizontal axis and the vertical axis for the different states, and all these symbols represents the state symbols. For x-axis represents the profit margin percentage, example how much profit a state makes. Y-axis represents the total profit is absolute terms in millions. Higher values means higher overall profits. Each point represents a different state. The shape of the marker may indicate a different categories, for example, region or a business settlement, and depend upon the how the tableau is represented. And interpretation is the chart shows an upward trend. As the profit margin increases, the profit also trends to increase. This suggests that states with a higher efficiency also achieve a higher total profits. The point at the top right, around 70K profit margin and 13 million profit, represents the best performing state, having both highest margin and the highest profit. And moderate performance state clustered around 30K to 50K profit margin and 6 million to 9 million profit perform decently with balanced profitable and revenue performance. And low performance is states on a lower left, around 20K to 30K margin and 4 to 5 million profit, have a lower profit margins and a total profit possible due to higher cost or a lower sales efficiency. And this is the overall of a scatter plot graph. And next is continued by Santosh.
The total revenue is 22 crores and next stack. Average order value is 22K. Total profit is percentage in 32 percentage. Profitable and versus non profitable classification. Blue mark is non profitable. Red mark is profitable. All the charts are represented by in dashboard.